Imagine waking up 10 years from now and checking your bank account. Instead of wondering where all your money went, you see that your investments have been quietly growing year after year. No lottery ticket, no overnight success, no secret strategy that only wealthy people know. Just the power of the stock market working in your favor. The truth is that many people never start investing because they think it's too complicated, too risky, or that they need a lot of money. But once you understand the basics, you'll realize that investing is far simpler than most people think. So what exactly is the stock market? At its core, the stock market is a place where people buy and sell ownership in businesses. When you buy a stock, you're purchasing a small piece of a company. As that company grows, earns profits, and becomes more valuable, your investment can grow as well. This is one of the biggest differences between saving and investing. Saving helps preserve your money, while investing gives it the opportunity to grow. One of the biggest mistakes beginners make is believing they need to find the next huge company before everyone else. They spend hours searching for the perfect stock and often end up doing nothing at all. In reality, many successful investors keep things simple. Instead of betting on a single company, they invest in index funds. These funds hold shares in hundreds of companies, allowing investors to benefit from the growth of the overall market while reducing risk. Getting started is easier than ever. The first step is opening a brokerage account. This is simply an account that allows you to buy and hold investments. Once your account is set up, you can transfer money and begin investing. For most beginners, a diversified index fund is often a great starting point because it provides exposure to many companies in a single investment. But knowing what to buy is only part of the equation. The real secret is consistency. Many people wait for the perfect time to invest because they're worried the market might fall tomorrow. The problem is that nobody can consistently predict what the market will do next. Even professional investors get it wrong. That's why successful investors focus on investing regularly instead of trying to time the market. This is where compounding changes everything. When your investments generate returns, those returns begin generating returns of their own. Over time, this creates a snowball effect that can turn small, regular investments into significant wealth. The earlier you start, the more time compounding has to work for you. Of course, there will be market crashes, scary headlines, and periods of uncertainty. That's completely normal. Every generation experiences them, but throughout history, the market has repeatedly recovered and continued growing over the long term. The investors who build wealth are often not the ones who make the smartest predictions. They're the ones who stay invested when everyone else is afraid. If you're a beginner, remember these 4 steps. Open a brokerage account, invest in diversified funds, contribute consistently, and stay invested for the long run. The stock market isn't a get-rich-quick scheme, but it is one of the most powerful tools ever created for building long-term wealth. If you enjoyed this video and want more practical investing and wealth-building content, subscribe to the channel and join our free newsletter, where we share professionally researched insights every week to help you get closer to financial freedom.